We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this video I will answer the question that is, what is the microphone icon on Apple Music? So the answer is pretty simple. The mic icon stands for singing or karaoke. Once you use and enable it, the app will present you with lyrics, which will be synchronized with the song itself, so you can, sing or read those lyrics alongside them being actually sung or played or read in the actual song. So if I were to open the song playback, here just tap at this button here to open this to open the lyrics of your song. But once you will tap at the mic, that means that your, playback has now entered the karaoke or sing mode, or sing to be exact. And now, with you listening to this or that song, the lyrics should be highlighted. Which lyrics are being sung right now. Let me start over from the very beginning of the song to show you in more details. So that's what it looks like. So in this song, those lyrics are being highlighted in sync, synchronized with the song itself. So yeah, you can pretty much use this option as karaoke. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.